Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day, and we're in Atco, New Jersey. I have a beautiful 4-bed, 2.5 bath home behind us. It sits high atop the hill. I'm going to tell you all about it. And this house was listed by a brand new agent of mine, Nina Aratakis. And Nina is new to the business, which means that she will work harder than any other agent that already is in the business for you. So that's a real advantage to you. So Nina, tell me about your experience coming into real estate and this being your first listing.
So this being my first listing, I was really excited because at first Maria was a little reluctant about selling her home, and she decided that it was the best thing to do, especially with such an aggressive market. So I was excited to put her house up for sale, and being that we can also help the seller and I can work on the buyer side as well, it's going to be a great experience, and I'm ready to dig in and help the buyers and the seller.
It's always very exciting getting your first listing, and Nina has been very, very good at learning the business, and she's got the ability, the 100% capability to represent you on the listing side as well on the buyer side. So let's check this house out. 2371 Bellevue Avenue, Atco sits high on top of the hill, a Mediterranean delight. Inside, you have the tile flooring throughout the entire first floor. You have the corner gas fireplace, natural gas, opens up to your dining room, and you can see that exquisite light fixture that comes with the house. Your kitchen has the granite countertops. You have the tall cabinetry, goes all the way to the ceiling, stainless steel appliance package. Upstairs, you have the oak treads that empty to your hardwood second floor. It's all hardwood, all the bedrooms. This is one of the bedrooms, not the master, but you can see the example of the hardwood floors in this particular spot. Gorgeous tile work. You have the royal blue along with the bright white tile, exquisite. We'll call this one bedroom number 2. Good size, plenty of closet space. Bedroom number 3, more of the same, hardwood floors, walls nice and neat. This would be the master bedroom, hardwood floors, opens to the eastern exposure, plenty of closet space, and it's connected to your own master bath. More of the lovely tile work, bright white with the blue accent walls, tile on the ceiling. Down in the basement, you have your Bryant system installed about 4 years ago, central air and natural gas heat. The seller has all types of landscape accent points here, a lot of stone and a lot of curbing and a lot of rock work, which could be worked and made absolutely beautiful here. She's got the landscape elements here, benches, big rocks. She's got the old antique bike, the swing here. She's got the pillars in the back that would be great for grapes or some type of pergola. Got the tomato garden. And the house also is equipped with solar panels, and they're owned by the seller. And she only has 4 more years to pay on that, and then those will be transferred over to you. You'll be responsible for those, but you'll get the electric benefit from the power that they generate. And you can see the whole side of electrical apparatus. Got your natural gas heat, and then you got your HVAC system, which is a Bryant, which is a really nice system that way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If this property was something that you really loved or you knew somebody that wanted this type of property in Atco, then share the property with them. And when you do subscribe, you're alerted as soon as the brand new listings come out. And that's a huge advantage in the marketplace, where it gives you the potential to be one of the first bidders, and it gives you a better chance to win it. The property is 1,440 square feet, 4 beds, 2.5 baths, has all kinds of amenities. You want to talk to us a little bit about the amenities, Nina?
Sure. So the bathrooms all have beautiful ceramic tile. The upstairs bathroom has ceramic tile that's actually on the ceiling as well. It has beautiful hardwood floors going upstairs and in the upstairs area. And then the landscaping and the beautiful fencing that surrounds the home itself, very, very nice.
Absolutely, and what's really cool about this house is that they elevated it. It's probably a good 5, 6, 7 feet above street level, and you have this gorgeous concrete driveway coming all the way up to the top, and it's surrounded, as Nina was saying, the aluminum fencing, and it's an entire yard, so you have the ultimate in security and privacy, good for your animals, good for your kids, and just an outstanding spot to be able to have the freedom of utilizing the property you wanted your way. The kitchen is in great shape. It's got granite countertops. You have recessed lighting all over. You have a deck off of the back, and it's just short of a ½ acre and waiting here for you in Atco. The kids go to Hamilton High School, which is a great school system, and I suggest that you make your appointment today so you don't miss out on this property. And as always, from me and Nina, Joe Wiessner and Nina, we want to see you at the settlement table.